So 9b, they are asking you to design a Turing machine, right? So this is a classical problem, 0 power n, 1 power n, okay? So this one I have taught you in the class, and also you can refer to Padma Reddy book, page number 168, the same question is there. So even the instantaneous description is same, okay? So if you check all the module question paper from starting to now, if you see mostly till from that book only. So that's what I'm repeatedly telling you, sit with that book, solve everything, you will pass the subject, okay? Now regarding this question, so basically what you will have if n is equal to 1, okay, so you will be having 0 1. If n is equal to 2, it will be 0 0 1 1, or if it will be 0 0 0 1 1 1. So the same number of zeros and ones we will be having in this Turing machine will accept the string that is having equal number of zeros and ones. So what is the basic idea we are going to do? Okay, so let us take this instantaneous string that they are asking to check, that only 3 zeros followed by 3 1. Okay, now your Turing machine, okay, basically it will see this first zero. Okay, it will mark that it has seen the first zero by replacing the zero as x. Okay, now the string will become something like this. So after it is marking the 0 to x, now what it will do, it will traverse towards the right hand side. When it is seeing the first one, okay, the first one, what it will do, it will replace the 1 to y. So by doing this way, it is ensuring that if I am seeing a 0, I am seeing a 1. Okay, now x is seen, I mean 0 is replaced as x, 1 is replaced as y. Now your read and writers will be present over here. Basically what you have to do, now you have to traverse towards the left hand side. So basically your Turing machine can travel both in the left and right direction, because it will be having an infinite tape and read write ahead which can travel in the both direction. Okay, so we will be again traveling towards left because we are having the remaining zeros that needs to be checked. So it will be traveling towards the left side, and it will reach to this position. Once again we will change the 0 to x, right? Now after changing the 0 to x, your pointer will be here. Now we will be traveling towards the right hand side, okay, and we will check that whether there is a 1 existing for the 0 that we have converted to x. Okay, so it will check here, and once it has found the first one, now what it will do, it will convert that to y. Okay, after converting that, what will do, the pointer will start traveling to the left direction. Okay, so we will keep on traveling to the left until we are finding this x. Okay, once the x is found, it will change the direction to right hand side, because we know that after this everything will be x, means that we have already checked the zeros and marked it as x. So we should be traveling in the opposite direction in order to check the remaining zeros. Okay, so we will be changing this 0 also to x. Okay, now what is the remaining, the remaining is 1, right? So your pointer basically will be here. We'll be keep on moving towards the right hand side, and we will change that to 1. Once again it will not stop over here. What it will do, your pointer from here now it will travel, it will check this y, it will check this y, and then it will check the x. Okay, and what it will do, as we are having x over here, it will come to the right hand side and it will check the y's. Okay, so basically there will be a last scan to check that all the given zeros and ones are converted to x and y. Okay, then only your Turing machine will reach the final acceptance states. Okay, this is the basic idea how we will be designing your Turing machine. Okay, this is just for the understanding purpose that we will be doing, and now we will solve the question. Okay, so like all your finite automata, this also will be starting with your q naught. Okay, so I will take 0 0 0 1 1 1. So over here, if we are going to write the table, so we will be writing the initial table. Okay, so what are the input symbol? We are having 0 1. Okay, sorry, that we will be converting that to x and y. Other than this, there will be blank. See, initially the entire tape of your Turing machine will contain only blank symbol. Okay, after the 0 0 0 1 1 1, both the side it will be basically having blank only. Okay, so we will be including blank symbol also in your table, such that you will be able to halt your Turing machine. Means it is you will be able to stop your Turing machine. Okay, so first I am in the initial state Q0. Okay, so this is your Q0. What we are reading? We are reading 0. Okay, so on reading 0, what we are going to do? We are going to replace your 0 with x, right? So I will go to the state Q1. What I am going to do? I am reading the symbol 0, that I am going to convert to x, okay, and I will move my pointer to right hand side, because after changing the 0 to x, we have to move towards the right to check whether there is a 1 for the checked 0, right? So that is what we are going to do. How we can write in the transition table? From Q0 I am going to Q1. This 0 present over here is converted to x, and the direction is now right hand side. Okay, so basically my pointer will move from there to here. Okay, now I am in the state Q1. Okay, so right here Q1. Now what is the input? Sorry, here we have to change the symbol to x, right? We have converted 0 to x. Now what is the state? We are in Q1. What is the input symbol we are reading? We are reading 0. What we are going to do? We are not going to do anything with the 0, because our objective is to find the 1 for the converted 0 to x. Okay, so we will not do anything with the 0. We will keep the 0 as it is. So the state will remain the same. The 0 will remain the same. Only we are going to move the pointer. Okay, how we can represent over here? I can represent 0 will be 0 only, and it will be R. Okay, see, either you can write R, L, or you can put arrow mark. It makes no difference. Okay, both are same. Now what happened? Your pointer will be pointing to this place. Okay, and it is still in the state Q1. So when it is in the Q1 and 0 is the symbol that we are going to read, again it will move to the next position in the right hand side. So basically what will happen? Your pointer will move to 1. Okay, now the input symbol is 1. Okay, we are in the state Q1. What we have to do? We are actually checking, we are actually traversing to find this symbol 1 only, right? So now we will convert this 1 to y. Okay, what I will do? I will go to state Q2, because we are converting the y to 1 to y. Okay, 1 will be converted to y. Now how the pointer will move? The pointer will move in the left side direction. Okay, because once again we have to start from the first state, right? So we will move from the move towards the left. Okay, so we have seen 1 is converted to y. Okay, we are moving towards left. Okay, now we are in the state Q2, right? So we have to write Q2 over here. Okay, I'll just put marking such that you don't have any confusion. Now, what is the symbol I am seeing? 0 is the symbol I am going to see. Am I going to do anything? No. What is the objective of me? I will keep on traversing towards the left until I find my x. Okay. Once I have found my x, now I will repeat the steps whatever I have done from now. Okay. I will go back to the initial state itself. So, on seeing 0 in my Q2 state, I will not do anything. I will just move my pointer towards the left. Okay, so basically my pointer will move towards over here to the 0. Okay, so here also we will mark the same. If I am seeing 0, 0 will remain 0 only, and I will keep on moving towards the left direction, not right, it is left. I will be moving towards the left direction. Okay, now what is the symbol I am seeing? Again I am seeing 0 only. Okay, 0 will be 0, and I will be moving towards the left direction. So the pointer will be coming to here. So this is my Q2. In Q2, what is the symbol now I am seeing? I am seeing the symbol X. Means that I have reached the end. Now I have to restart from the initial state. Okay. So Q2X, this is the box. Now I have to restart from initial. Means that I have to go back from Q0 such that I can convert these zeros to X and I can verify the rest of the zeros and ones are equal or not. Okay, so I will go to Q0, the X will remain X only. I will not change that anything. I will change the direction from left side to right side now. Okay, so my pointer will come here. Now I will be in the state Q0. Okay, so what is the symbol I am checking? I am in the state Q0. Okay, 0 is the symbol. What I will do? I will change the 0 to X and I will mark the state to be Q1, right? That is what we have done earlier also. So this will be X. Now I will be in Q1. Q1 0, what we will do? We will not do anything. We will just move the pointer towards the right side direction. Now I am in Q1Y. Q1Y, so far we have not written anything. So we will write it now. What we will do? Q1Y, we will not do anything. Our objective is to find the 1 because we have just now converted a 0 to X. We are waiting to find the 1. So what we will do? We will remain in Q1 only. Y will be remaining Y only. We will just move the pointer. Okay. How I can write over here? Here I can write it as Y will be Y only and I am moving in the direction of right hand side. Okay, now your pointer will be moved to the right. I will be pointing to the 1 over here, right? Now what we will do? Q1, it is 1, so we will be following this rule. So we will convert the 1 to Y and the pointer will start moving towards the which direction? Left direction. Okay, so here it will go to Q2. Q2Y. So far we have not written any rule over here. So my objective in Q2 is to find the X such that I can restart from the initial state. So I will not do any changes to my Y. I will keep the Y as it is. I will keep on moving towards the left direction. So over here what I will write? Y will be Y only. I will keep on moving towards the left direction. Okay, so my Q2 will be coming over here. Okay, already we have written the rule. Q2 on the reading 0, it will be 0 only. We will be moving towards the left direction. Okay, now my Q2 will come over here. So what we are doing? Q2, it is reading X. We will go to Q0 and restart the procedure once again. Okay, so our pointer will come over here. I am in the state Q0. Q0 is reading 0. What we will do? We will replace the 0 with X, right? So this has been replaced to X. The pointer will be moving towards the right direction. So here will be your Q1. Q1Y, what we will do? We will keep on moving towards the right until and unless we are finding the 1. So basically it will come to this Y, then it will come to this one. Okay, so we are in the state Q1. What we will do? We will replace the 1 with Y and we will move the pointer towards the left hand side, okay, as Q2. Q2Y, we will keep on moving. Okay, so the pointer will come here, Q2. Now the pointer will come here, it is Q2. Once the pointer has seen X now, based on the transaction, what it will do? It will change the direction and change the state to Q0, right? So we will come to Y over here. Now the state is Q0, the symbol is Y. We have not written any transaction for that. So what we will do now? We have to move the Q0 to another one state. Okay, we will not repeat the steps because now we know that we have converted the X and Y's. What we will do? We will move my state to Q3. Okay, what we will do with Y? We will not do with Y anything. We will keep the Y as it is and we will keep on going to the next symbol. Okay, so it will be Q3 Y R. Here I have forgot to write this transaction. Okay, in Q2 if I'm seeing X, what we will do, X will be X only, and I will move in the right hand side direction, but I will change from Q2 to Q0. Okay, right, that is what we are doing. Now over here we are in the state Q3. What we are going to do, we will do nothing. We will keep on moving towards the right side, such that we are ensuring that we have converted all the zeros on ones to X and Y, and we are waiting to see a blank symbol. Okay, so till then we will keep on moving. So your Y will be Y only, and it will move towards the right hand side direction. Okay, now your pointer will come over here, right? I will be in Q3. Now again what will happen, because we have to move towards the right side direction, I will come over here. The pointer is in Q3. So we are basically in which state? Q3 state. Okay, so Q3 will be Q3 only, Y R, right? Now in Q3 if I am seeing a blank symbol, okay, I will move to Q4. I will keep blank as it is and just move right hand side once. Okay, so Q4 is basically my final state. I will not have any transition for that. Okay, it will halt, means your Turing machine will stop. Okay, so from Q3, if it is B will be B only. I will move to right hand side direction. This will be my Q4. That is my accepting state. So this is what your Turing machine transition diagram looks like, and this is your transition table. Okay, now what they have asked you to do, they have given you a string, and they have asked you to do the instantaneous description for that, right? That you have to do. So what is the input string they have given? The input string is 0 0 0 1 1 1. So initially I am in the state Q0. Okay, what I am having, yeah, I think it is 0 0 1 1. I'm sorry, one second, I will just check the question. So yeah, it is 0 0 1 1, not 3 zeros 3 ones. Sorry for that. Okay, so it is 0 0 1 1. Okay, I'm just putting a blank because everywhere it will be blank only in your Turing machine except the given input symbols. Okay, now Q0 0. Okay, that is this transaction Q0 0. What we are doing, we are going to convert your 0 to X, right? That is what we will be doing. So your 0 will be converted to X. I will move the pointer towards the right. Okay, so it has come to the right side. Now what is the remaining? 0 1 1. I am writing one blank. Q1 0. Q1 0, what we will do? We will not do anything. We will just move towards the right side. So it will become X0. We are moving the pointer to the right side. So it will be 1 1 B. Now what we are checking? It is Q1 1, right? Q1 1 means what we have to do? We have to convert the 1 to Y, right? That is what we are doing, and we are moving the pointers towards the left hand side direction. Means that how it will come means it will be X Q2, okay, 0 Y 1 B. Okay, the pointer from here will move left side over here. This Y now has become, this one has become Y. Okay, that is what we are doing over here. Okay, I'll just erase it off. Now Q2 on 0. Q2 on 0, what we are doing? We are doing nothing. We're just moving the pointers towards the left hand side. So it will be Q2 X, right? 0 Y 1 B. So Q2 on X. Q2 on X, what it will do? It will go to Q0, and we are going to restart in the opposite direction, that is right hand side direction. So your X will come this side, your Q2 will move in the right hand side direction. We have changed it to Q0 state. Okay, the remaining things remains the same, 0 1 B. Okay, Now we are having Q0 0 as the input symbol. Okay, what we will do, it will be converted to X and we will change the state to Q1. Okay, the remaining Y1B remains the same. Now Q1, the input symbol is Y. We will not do anything, it will be X, X, Y, Q1, 1B. Okay. Now what we are having, we are having q1 1. What we will do, we will change the 1 to y and we will move the pointers towards the left hand side direction. So it will be basically xx, your pointer will come over here, so it will become what, q2 y y b. Okay, now we are in q2. Y is the input symbol. What we will do, we will move towards the left, so it is x q2 y y, sorry, x q2 x y y b. Okay, now again q2, it is x. If it is q2 and x, what we will do, we will go to the q0 state, right? So it will become x x q0. Okay, then it will be y y b. q0 on y. Okay, q0 on y. We will be going to q3 and moving towards the right hand side direction. So it is x x y q3 y b. Okay, so now we will be in the q3 only, x x y y q3 b. Okay, now q3 is reading blank, we will be going to x x y y blank q4. That is, we have reached the final state. The given string will be accepted by a Turing machine and it will halt. Okay, that's it.